Hey, another stock that trades like an AI stock is CMG. Well, shit, Leo, isn't it like a restaurant chain of some kind? Yes, it is, but it trades at a multiple of a technology stock. So today could be the day where it collapses after hours to the magnitude of 200 points. Yes, literally, I'm saying it could actually drop 200 points after hours today. And you may think it's wild, but it's done this sort of percentage move in the past multiple times. Now, if you study the history of the last like 4 to 8 quarters, those type of moves been predominantly to the upside. But we think the good streak for CMG is out. Have you paid close attention to the way we traded McDonald's earnings, right? So AMCD, it's the issue with the cost. It's the issue, and CMG is not going to be able to say like, well, hey, we don't care. Everybody's costs are going up and our costs are going down. They've been saying that for years, and I've been always wondering, well, how do they get away with this kind of shit? So I think this is the quarter where CMG no longer is going to be able to hide the costs. And we've got some people that are interested in selling at these levels. We've got the bear diversity, even though it's not as pronounced as in some other stocks, but we have it. The only positive thing is this cross on MACD higher. That points to the fact that first the stock could move higher before a bigger sell-off tomorrow. So we know what we do in this case is we buy ahead of the report, and then we stick with the same strategy if the stock bounces the day after the report, guys. Now, this is a tricky one. I would not short it without a 13 market moves coach, guys. But basically, we think a lot of people are going to be selling this report. It's just a matter of whether they're going to sell straight after hours or after the bounce tomorrow. Either way, there's some money to be made, but I will warn you, you got to have a pretty decent size account because those options are not cheap. Now, if you're curious, what other play could you actually implement instead of going directly with CMG? What is going to be the correlation top trade? Make sure you go to 13mmtv.com, click the big orange button, schedule a call, talk to a senior trader here right now, guys. If you missed McDonald's, okay, and if maybe you're not able to partake on the CMG drug, by the way, guys, there's multiple strategies that we often don't talk about, but like you could be implemented various strategies despite the size of the account. So bottom line is there's some money to be made on CMG. We think the move is lower. By the way, this one is on our top 10 stocks to short in 2024. So could it do something like Boeing? Okay, could it do something like Tesla, which both of these are on our 2024 short list. So I think it is highly likely for CMG to surprise on the negative side. The expectations are built, but I think people are beginning to get out, and I think we're going to see some strong volume on the sell side. Guys, give us a call here at 13 Market Moves. Don't miss this is going to be a huge one. Possible 200-point move. So let's roll. I'll catch you guys in the next video soon.